Did you know that one of America's most twisted serial killers was caught because of a missing piece of paper? In 1928, Albert Fish walked into a Bronx home looking like a sweet grandfather. He told the Budd family he had worked for their son, but instead he convinced them to let him take 10-year-old Grace to a birthday party. Grace never came home. For 6 years, her family had no answers. Then her mother received a letter that would haunt America forever. Fish had written every sick detail of what he did to Grace, how he killed her, cooked her, and ate her over 9 days. He called her flesh, sweet and tender. But Fish made one deadly mistake. The paper he used was missing from a boarding house gas book. Detective William King traced that single sheet of stationery back to Fish's room. When they caught him, investigators discovered the horrible truth. Fish hadn't just killed Grace. He had murdered and eaten dozens of children across multiple states for decades. One piece of paper brought down a monster.